One of the things that separates Hobson's Choice, and I think helps us run projects very smoothly, is the fact that our designers are also the project managers. They take the project from when they first meet you coming into a showroom and introduce you to the product and learn about your project and how we can help you. They take it from that stage. They'd come and see you for the survey. They're the same people that do all of the design work, that know the product inside out to be able to ensure that we're speccing something perfect for you, that we're meeting all of your needs. They've been to your property, they understand your style, they know how you live, they're learning about you the whole time, and you're obviously learning about them too. But through developing this relationship together, they are the perfect people to take your project from concept through to something that is ordered with the factory, delivered to site, conveyed to the tradesman, and run perfectly all the way through to deliver you the finished piece that everybody, including the designer, is totally proud of.